Hi, this is PC Roger, here to show you how you can use this handy little adapter from Vantec to copy the data from almost any workstation hard drive, serial ATA or IDE, 3.5 inch or 5 1/4 inch or even a little 2.5 inch older style hard drive. Any serial ATA drive. Will not work for SCSI though, but here's the box. You can see it comes with everything that's needed. No drivers are required, unless maybe with Windows 98 or something. You have the drive adapter, which has the smaller IDE connector for an older style laptop hard drive, 2.5 inch, the larger style IDE, and here's the serial ATA port, one with a little activity light. Even if you had an old 5 1/4 inch drive, I guess. But here's a kind of an antique IDE drive. Let's say there's some data on you want to access. Can't hook it up to your new PC because it's got serial ATA ports only, maybe, or something, or just don't want to install it. And simply plug it in here, and it's already got the notch and everything, so it's keyed properly. And then with this power adapter, hopefully you can see all this in the video. Got a little on-off switch here, so you can leave it off until you're ready. And it's got the old style power plug that you can plug in. You can power up the drive. And then you take the USB end of the adapter, simply plug it into your workstation or another laptop. This is a nice Dell Precision T3400 workstation. And then you can access your data. And you can see here I've got a newer laptop hard drive that is serial ATA. And on the back of that here, we just plug in the short little cable. You could get a longer cable if you wanted to, but all of these things are included. And just plug it into the adapter here. And then the power adapter to go from the old style to the serial ATA. You just snap that on, plug it in, and again, put the USB connector into the laptop or workstation. And after you've got everything all settled down here, flip the power switch on, and this drive will show up in Windows XP or Vista or Windows 7, and it will show up as another drive. Now, if it does not show up as another drive with a letter, I do have another video on how to conquer that simple problem. But once you have a drive letter there in Windows Explorer, you can copy off any data that you need off the drive. You could even put data onto the drive if you needed to for some reason. Very simple, very easy to do. This is a real nice little adapter. Vantec is just one of the companies that makes something like this. Very reasonably priced. Just go to my website. The link is there on the screen or next to it, and you will see where you can buy an adapter like this and get some other helpful videos and information to handle your data backup, restore, and other PC needs. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.